Hello, this is Imran Shubuj. Welcome you all to watching this video. Today I'm going to share some experiences. How could you select the perfect lubricating oil grades or engine oil grades for your most usually car of gasoline, hybrid and SUV. I'm just going to share you the most common thing to share you. So firstly, we are going to the gasoline engine oil. So it is gasoline car has been turned into CNG and LPG in Bangladesh and various country, a lot of countries of the world existing in the world. So when we go to check a perfect lubricating oil for gasoline car, we'll go through their product manual and find out the lubrication chapter, where you will find some common grade just like SAE, 20W50, 10W30, whatever it is mentioned. Please check it. And now another thing, API grade, just like SNSL will mention also mention on that manual. So you must cross check it and buy a perfect lubrication for a lubricating oil for your most juicy and gasoline car. I'm just telling you one thing. When you buy a lubricating oil or engine oil, you must check the company's reputations, OEM's recommendations. Is very important. Now the time has been arrived to how could select a common grade of hybrid lubricating oil. Common lubricating oil grade was API SAE grade is 0W20. It is very common grade. It will go through the product manual and you will find it obviously, and obviously cross check the API grade. API grade means which year your engine was manufacturing. It is very important. So check that SAE grade and API grade. And now the time has been arrived to for your SUV or sports utility vehicle. It is very emerging and very common vehicle now in Bangladesh and around the world. So most common grade of SUV is 5W30, 5W40, which is mentioned in their product manual, and obviously cross check the API engine oil grade. Obviously which year your car engine is manufactured. So must check it and cross check it. Now the time has been arrived to share you after using how many kilometers it will change. There are two types of formulations lubricants available in market. One is mineral type lubricants, mineral formulations, which you can use at least up to highest is 2,500 kilometer. And if you use another grade is synthetic lubrications, you can use the 4,500 kilometers to not more than 5,000 kilometers. Hope this video will help you to find a correct and select a right lubricating oil or engine oil for your most juicy gasoline, hybrid and SUV car. Thank you to watching this video. Hope everybody will be good always.